Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start in the app so changes are immediate. Open Notion on desktop or in your browser and sign in. Once done, pick a page that contains text you can edit right away so you can verify behavior. Make sure you're not in read-only view and that the page is unlocked for editing. If you're on Windows or Mac OS, have your system preferences handy because Notion sometimes defers spell checking to the OS. Now move to Notion settings. You'll now change the in-app preference. Click Settings and Members from the sidebar or the menu, then go to the Editor or Accessibility section. Look for options labeled Check Spelling, Spell Check, or Suggestions while typing. Toggle that setting off. This stops Notion from underlining words and offering corrections. If you don't see an option, Notion may be using your browser or OS spell check, so next you'll adjust those. Make sure to save or close settings so the change applies. Finish by testing. Type deliberate misspellings to confirm underlines are gone. If Notion still flags spelling, disable the browser spell check in Chrome or Edge settings, or turn off system right arrow keyboard right arrow text corrections on Mac OS or settings right arrow typing on Windows. Once you've adjusted those, restart Notion or clear the app cache to force settings to reload. If problems persist, sign out and sign back in. That usually resolves lingering preference conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.